Sarah bought her Tesla Model Y in January 2022 for $47,000, convinced she'd never spend money on gas again. 18 months later, a single cracked camera behind her windshield cost her $1,100 to replace and recalibrate, more than she'd spent on electricity in the entire time she'd owned the car. That's the moment the cheap-to-own promise started to look a lot more complicated than the sales pitch suggested. Let's start where Sarah started, the sticker price. Her Model Y long range came in at $47,000 before taxes. Add destination fees, and she was looking at just under $49,000 out the door. Then came a cost almost nobody budgets for in advance, getting her garage wired for a Level 2 home charger. Her electrician quoted her $1,400 for the panel upgrade and installation. Before she'd driven a single mile, Sarah was already over $50,000 in. Here's where the math starts working in her favor. Charging at home at her local rate of 15 cents per kilowatt hour and using roughly 28 kilowatt hours per 100 miles, Sarah's real cost to drive came out to about 4 cents per mile. Compare that to a gas-powered SUV in the same class, averaging 25 miles per gallon at $3.50 a gallon, and you get 14 cents per mile. Over 15,000 miles a year, that's a gap of roughly $1,500 annually, purely in fuel. After 3 years, Sarah had banked close to $4,500 in fuel savings alone. On paper, she was winning. But cars don't just need fuel. They need insurance. And this is where the story gets less flattering. Because Tesla parts are expensive and certified repair shops are still limited in many regions, insurers price that risk in. Sarah's annual premium came in around $2,400, compared to roughly $1,900 for a similarly priced gas SUV. That's an extra $500 a year, quietly eating into her fuel savings before she'd even noticed. Then came the accident. Nothing dramatic, just a low-speed parking lot bump that bented her bumper and knocked her front camera out of alignment. On a normal car, that's an $800 body shop visit. On Sarah's Tesla, the camera needed factory recalibration to keep autopilot functioning correctly. And the bumper itself was a proprietary part. Total bill, $2,100. That single afternoon wiped out almost a year and a half of fuel savings in one signature on an insurance form. Tires told a similar story. The instant torque and extra weight of the battery pack wore through her factory tires faster than she expected, and by 28,000 miles, she needed a full replacement set. $900, about 10,000 miles earlier than she would have replaced tires on a gas car. It wasn't a disaster. It was just one more quiet subtraction from the number she thought she was building. Then, in the middle of year 2, Tesla cut prices on new Model Ys by $3,700 overnight. Sarah didn't sell her car, but if she had, that price cut would have instantly reduced what buyers were willing to pay for her exact model, since nobody wants a used car priced close to a brand new one. Your car's resale value isn't just shaped by mileage and wear. It's shaped by decisions made in a boardroom you have no visibility into. On the technical side, Sarah got lucky. Independent battery studies tracking thousands of Tesla vehicles have found that most retain around 90% of their original capacity, even after 100,000 miles, and hers was tracking right in that range. A full battery pack replacement outside of warranty can run $15,000 to $20,000 depending on the model, a number large enough that it can exceed what an older Tesla is even worth on the used market. Sarah never had to face that bill. Plenty of owners eventually will. So, let's add it up, the way Sarah eventually did herself, sitting with her laptop 5 years after that first purchase. Total fuel savings versus a comparable gas SUV, roughly $7,500. Total extra insurance cost, $2,500. The accident and camera recalibration, $2,100. Early tire replacement, $900. Net result, after 5 years and 75,000 miles, Sarah came out about $2,000 ahead of where she would have been in the gas SUV. Not the thousands in annual savings the sales brochure implied. Not a financial disaster either. Just a modest win, and only because she avoided a second accident and never needed a battery replacement. That's the real answer, buried underneath every Tesla ownership claim you've ever heard. The savings are real, but they're thin, and they're fragile enough that one bad year, one fender bender, one surprise price cut can erase them completely. A Tesla doesn't guarantee you'll save money. It gives you a narrow path to saving money, and the width of that path depends entirely on how carefully you walk it.